The Tatami Yoga Mat is a yoga mat made from igusa, known as soft rush in English. Just by being laid out on the floor, it will help transform the space into something resembles a fallen Buddhist temple. Meditating on the Tatami Yoga Mat should help you refresh and relax. Tatami has a similar relaxing effect to that of being in the middle of a forest. The simple tranquility that tatami brings to a space is what gives it the effect of making a space perfect for Zen and yoga. Tatami has been popular in Japan for over 1400 years, and tatami grows the more you use it, becoming more refined over time, and even today it is one of the most important materials to Japanese people. Making tatami is a time-consuming process, and there is a large divide between various makers and products. All of our yoga mats are fully made in Japan, with our skilled craftsmen choosing from the highest quality material to make the best tatami yoga mats possible. Why not open a door to a whole new world of Zen and yoga with our tatami yoga mats?